It's been so long, that I haven't seen your face.
Hi, I'm Julia Adriano, and I'm the first chef in Group 2. And I'm going to prepare the chicken packet with mango and cheese. Here are the ingredients: breadcrumbs, mango, flour, cheese, egg, the chicken breast, salt, and the pepper. Okay, we're going to start now. You cut the mango. Make sure that the mango has no block. Okay? You cut the mango into strips. Then, itanggal-tanggal the balat of the mango. After that, you proceed to the cheese. Cut into strips. Okay? After you cut the cheese, next the egg. And then you beat the yellow yolk of the egg. After that, you put next the flour. Make sure put some salt and pepper to have the cheese. Okay. Heat the pan with oil. Okay. Okay. To slice the chicken breast to have a packet. Okay, you put some cheese, the mango. After that, you roll it. After you roll, get some toothpick. You roll on in the flour. After you roll, put it in this egg. And then, put it in breadcrumbs to make delicious. The chicken packet with mango and cheese. Okay, you put the chicken in the... Okay, for the dip sauce of chicken naan, ink the chicken already finished. Tastes good. This is the chicken packet. We will remove the toothpick because it's dangerous. Okay, after you remove the toothpick, you cut the chicken packet in small. Okay, this is the finished product of chicken packet mango. Let's taste. Okay, the next chef is Patricia Bianca Salansa. Hi, I'm your second chef and I'm Chef Pat. The dish that we prepared is chicken cordon bleu. The ingredients that we needed are ham, salt and pepper, flour, breadcrumbs, chicken breast, cheese, egg. Okay, let's start cooking. First is let's get the cheese cut into strips. The next is the ham. Also, like what you did in the cheese, cut also the ham into strips. Then beat the egg yolk. After that, let's first heat our oil. After you have prepared all the ingredients, let's get our chicken breast. Let's put 2 ham, also 2 cheese, so that it will taste delicious. After you put all the ingredients, make it like this. To enclose our chicken breast, we will put toothpick. After this, let's get the breadcrumbs and the flour. Dip the chicken breast into the flour. After the flour, dip it in the egg. Splash it into the breadcrumbs. We're done in our chicken breast. And let's see our cooking oil if it's ready. Hot. No. Deep fry it. After 5 minutes, we're done in our chicken breast. We're ready for plating. Let's remove the toothpick because it's dangerous. For the dip of our chicken, we have our mayonnaise. This is my finished product, the chicken cordon bleu. Our next chef is Chef Ana Lumanta. Thank you. Thanks for Hi, I'm Ana Lumanta. I'm going to prepare the chicken breast with lemon. The ingredients: carrots, finely chopped, garlic, peppers, salt, butter, olive oil, chicken broth, flour, lemon, and chicken breast. And the flour, pepper, and salt to have a taste. Dredge the chicken all over. Heat the oil in a frying pan and put the oil. If the oil is hot, put the chicken breast. Yes, the chicken is already. Remove the oil, garlic, and the carrot. Get the zest of lemon. Slice the lemon. Put the zest of lemon in the juice and the broth. After boiling, we put the butter. When it's done, we're ready to plate it. And this is the chicken breast with lemon. The next is Risa. This is Chef Ana. By the way, I'm your Chef Isay, and I'm here to show you how to cook a stir-fried fish. Here are the ingredients: butter, salt and pepper, carrots, onion, garlic, and squid. Okay, now let's start. First, the butter in the frying pan. Then put the garlic. Add the onion until golden brown. Then put the squid. And after that, put the carrot. And season with salt and pepper. Okay, it's done. Time to play. Okay, that's it. This is very easy, right? Okay, next. Here's Ate Ria to show you how to prepare a risotto. Thank you, Miss Lai. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Chef Ria, and I'm here to present how to cook the risotto. Here are the ingredients: olive oil, the onion, salami, Parmesan cheese, Italian saffron, dried mushroom, chicken broth, rice. Now, cut the salami. After you chop it, put in the plate. Cut the dry mushroom. Now finish. Now put the oil, olive oil, in the pan. Put the onion. And then add the salami. Then put the rice. Put the chicken broth. Then now put the mushroom. Then put the water of the mushroom. Stir it well. Then put the saffron. Let's put in the bouillon plate. Then put some Parmesan cheese. Now this is the finished product of risotto.
Shut up, Paul and Blue can tell. Remix, I go make them head swell, yo. Yo, hey, yo.